This is the fastest way to build a website using AI. Let's jump in. So first, we're going to go into ChatGPT and we go into the tab Explore GPTs. We're going to look at Realm AI. So Realm AI website builder. We click on that and then we just start chatting. All we need to do here is click on I want to build a website. And then we can just follow the steps. So the first step is, what type of website are you looking for? So I want a marketing website. And now the next step is, who is your target audience? I'm just gonna copy and paste potential clients. And then one more. So what is the name of your site? Okay, so entree, and then I'm in the US. And now we wait, and it's going to generate a link that we can use to go into our next AI tool. So now we are in Realm AI. So Realm AI, it's a tool for designers that can help you speed up the process on building a wireframe or just creating ideas. So it helps us to create a sitemap, wireframes, and it can also help us to pick colors, fonts. One of the best integrations are the integration to Figma, that you can import all these wireframes into Figma, and then you can also take those Figma designs into Webflow like magic. So let me show you how that works. So after you create an account, you're going to get into this page. Once you're here, we can go back to ChatGPT and click on check out your site, and you can see the magic. So now we're going to see how a sitemap is going to be created. So we're going to have a navigation bar, hero, feature section, benefits, testimonial, and CTA section. And at the end we have a footer. So every website will be different, so this sitemap will appear different to you. But if you go to wireframes, this is also super cool. You can see how components are going to be generated. So if we go back, we had a navigation and a hero. And then if you go back here into the wireframes, you can see that we have a navigation bar and we also have a footer. Amazing, right? I'm not a super fan how all the images are on the right, so I'm going to make a couple adjustments. So here in the section, we can just click on left and it will just take the image. We can also update the copy. Ask AI. So I'm just going to tell them to rewrite the sentence. So it's going to update to unleash the full power of your brand with entree. I like that better. So now that we have this wireframe, in our next tutorial, we're going to see how we can add this wireframe into Figma. Stay tuned.